The Deloitte apprenticeship in Cardiff was a new idea. We chose to do something that was created in partnership with Cardiff and Vale College and Deloitte to provide new opportunities in an apprenticeship type approach that really wasn't seen in the business community before. And I'm really pleased to say that it's been replicated by other businesses, and I'm very proud of that, to create more opportunities for young people in South Wales.
4 years ago it was quite a new thing to go into the world of finance without a degree, but I was lucky enough to find the apprenticeship, which meant that I came straight from school with nothing more than my A-levels and GCSEs, and I've gained all those qualifications whilst working. It's been quite nice to avoid that student debt and have a more professional sort of lifestyle. When you consider that only 10 of us started in 2015, I think we're up to close to 70 apprentices now.
The people joining the apprenticeship scheme at Deloitte come into roles that we call analysts or associates or consultants, and they're working to provide high volume transactional work in many cases to support our client teams and our client engagements, and in many cases our internal business processes as well.
Since then I moved on to our Bright Start pathway, working in audit. I'm studying towards my ACA.
To see those come into our business, mature as adults who are providing real value to our business and developing great careers for themselves, personally, very, very proud.